Hello all. Yeah, let's move into problem number 29 now. So let's read out this problem. This problem talks about the distinct power. It says, for example, A from 2 to 5 and B from 2 to 5. If we check all the distinct power, it becomes 2 to 2 square is 4, 8, 16 like that. And if you just count, you see 16 is repeating. Now, if we take all these values and do a distinct of all these values, for A is equal to 2 to 5, we get total 15 distinct terms. And these are the terms. How many distinct terms are there in the sequence from a to the power b? A to the power b, where a is 2 to 100 and b is also 2 to 100. So for all this range, how many distinct powers are there? Okay, so let's just jump to our code. So let's say, we'll say all numbers. All numbers is equal to is set. Okay. Now what we'll do is for a in range. So let's create a loop. Okay, a in range of 2 to 100, range of 2 to 101 because I want to include 100, and for b in range same 2 to 101. Okay, then we have to create a power. That means a to the power b. Okay, and what we'll do, we'll just do a all numbers dot add. I'm taking this as a set because set will automatically take care of distinct part. Okay, I don't have to do it again separately. I don't want to store unnecessary number if it's already there. So if we just run this, okay, if we just run this, that should be our answer. So let's see our all numbers. All numbers are there. Now if we just check the length of it, it says how many distinct numbers. Length is 9183. Let's check this if it is working. 9183. Yes, our answer is correct. Yeah, that's it for the current problem. So coming up next is problem number 30. Thanks for watching.